ready to transform your struggling Shopify store into a sales-generating machine. Optimizing your Shopify store isn't just about looking good. It's about creating an experience that guides browsers to become buyers and keeps them coming back for more. First, let's tackle website design. A confusing layout is a conversion killer. Simplify your navigation. Think clear categories, a prominent search bar, and easily accessible contact information. Ensure your mobile responsiveness is flawless. The majority of e-commerce traffic is mobile, so a seamless experience on smaller screens is non-negotiable. Next up, product presentation. This is where you sell the dream. Invest in high-resolution images that showcase your products from multiple angles. Consider adding short, engaging videos that demonstrate functionality or highlight key features. Every product description should be persuasive and informative, addressing potential customer questions and benefits, not just features. Now, let's talk about building trust, which directly impacts conversion. Social proof is powerful. Make sure customer reviews and testimonials are easily visible. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Excellent customer service, whether through live chat, email, or a detailed FAQ, can turn a one-time beer into a loyal advocate. Speed is crucial. Slow loading pages frustrate visitors and lead to abandonment. Utilize Shopify's built-in tools or apps to optimize images and improve your site's loading time. Streamline your checkout process by minimizing steps and offering guest checkout options. The fewer clicks it takes to buy, the better. By focusing on these key areas, intuitive design, compelling product presentation, stellar customer service, and a streamlined user journey, you'll foster a better Shopify experience that naturally leads to increased conversions and amplified sales. Start optimizing today.